Y'all, I have created a brand new sampler complete with a PDF pattern and video tutorials, and I am so excited about it. This is the Laid Work Sampler, complete with 48 couched and woven fill stitches and designs. And I can hear the confusion. What is laid work? Kind of sounds inappropriate. The term isn't super well known in the modern embroidery world, but it is a very commonly used and extremely delightful hand embroidery technique that dates back to at least the 11th century, if not before. It involves layering threads on top of each other to create an intricate design, and I love it because the possibilities are endless. This sampler started out as a 20-stitch design, but then I just kept finding more and creating more, and I couldn't stop myself, so now it is a grand total of 48. I've been thinking about this sampler for probably about a year and working on it for the last month, so I am really pleased that it's finally complete and ready for you to stitch. You can find the PDF pattern linked in the description below, and the video tutorials are going to be released weekly, starting with this one actually, because this is the introduction. Now, similar to my last sampler, there are photographed and written instructions in the PDF, so you don't actually need the video tutorials in order to stitch the entire sampler. We all have different learning styles though, and I know the videos are super helpful to some, so until the last video is released, that pattern is going to remain 50% off. So, you know, go get it now. Spend half as much. Why not, right? The PDF pattern also includes a bunch of helpful information like notes on supplies, terminology, gridding, and more. The videos will feature a quick overview of the stitch for those who just want to see it in action, followed by a slower and more detailed look at how the stitch is done, complete with tips and tricks, explanations, and maybe even little bits of history from yours truly. Laid work translates really well into contemporary embroidery, and it's the perfect fill stitch to add to your designs. So grab a pattern, stitch along with me, and I hope that you will fall in love with laid work like I did and start obsessively creating your own patterns. It's okay, I've stopped. I'm not gonna add anymore. Okay, that's it. So thank you all, and I will see you next week for the first tutorial.